Today, I'm going to explain how to implement encoder in the Verilog code. So this is the 8 to 3 encoder. The aim of the experiment is write in a Verilog code to realize operation of 8 to 3 encoder with priority and without priority. So you have to do behavioral code for this, and you have to verify using test bench. So what is an encoder? You can see the block diagram. Okay, this is the block diagram, and you can see generally an encoder is a combinational circuit that performs a reverse operation of decoder. First we have to encode it, later we can decode it. So we already learned 2 to 4 decoder. So today we are going to do coding. So that is encoding. So we are using 8 to 3 encoder. It has maximum of 2 power n input lines with n output lines. So n is actually indicates number of output lines. So here 8 to 3 encoder, 3 is number of outputs. So 3 n value is 3. So you can see in the output we have y of 0, y of 1, y of 2. 3 output lines are there. So what are the how many inputs are there? 2 power n. So 2 power 3 means 8. So 8 inputs are there. You can see here I of 0, I of 1, I of 2, I of 3, I of 4, I of 5, I of 6, I of 7. So there are 8 inputs and 3 outputs. So the general, we can tell that in general, it has 2 power n inputs and n output lines. For example, if n is equal to 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2, 2, 4 to 2 encoder also you can do. Here for your syllabus 8 to 3 is there. So n is 3. So 2 power n is 8. So 8 inputs to 3 bit code. So it is going to code that 8 input lines, each input into 3 bit code. Okay. So it will produce a binary code equivalent to the input, which is active high. So here we are using n is equal to 3. So totally we have 2 power 3 is equal to 8 inputs, and these 8 input combinations are coded with unique code representation with 3 bits. So let us see the truth table for this. Since enable pin is used here, okay, if enable pin is 0, then you are going to get output as ZZZ. Okay, for any combination of this x is equal to x is means don't it can be 0 or 1. For any input combination with input is equal to 0, output will give you Z value. Now we'll enable the make the enable pin is equal to 1. Okay, from the second row you can see enable pin is equal to 1. Now all inputs are 0, only I of 0 is equal to 1. If only I of 0 is equal to 1, then it will encode that this input combination. That means all inputs are 0, only I of 0 is equal to 1 with a unique output of 0 0 0. So I of 0 means y is equal to 3 bit 0. Okay, 3 bit 0 0 0. That means in decimal simply 0. Okay, second case with again enable is equal to 1, and in this case I of 1 is equal to 1 and all other inputs are 0. So now for this it will encode this in the unique representation as 001. So in binary 3 bit 001, or in decimal simply 1. Similarly, next I of 2 is equal to 1. So encoding is 010. For I of 3 is equal to 1, coding is 011. For I of 4 is equal to 1, coding is 100. For I of 5 is equal to 1, the binary coding is 101. And I of 6 is equal to 1 means coding is 110. And I of 7 is equal to 1 means binary coding is 111. So for that we have to write a code. Okay, so I'm going to type this code. Okay, encoder input lines are totally 8. So input I should be chosen as a bus 7 down to 0. Input enable, it is not a bus, simply input you have to select. Output is y, it is 2 down to 0, it is actually bus. So you have to use case statement. So first you have to check if enable is equal to 1, then you have to begin, then case. Okay, because so many 8 inputs are there, we have 2 power 8 different combination of inputs. So you have to take only the cases that is I of 0 is equal to 1, I of 1 is equal to 1, I of 2 is equal to 1. Similarly, I of 7 is equal to 1. Only these 8 cases you have to consider. Whenever you get this case, y is 0, or in binary 3 dash b 0 0 0. 3 bit encoding you can write. You can write instead of 0, you can write 3 dash b 0 0 0 also you can write. Here also y is equal to 3 dash b 1 1 1. Okay, only for 8 cases we have encoding 3 bit information. For all other cases, default value is 3 bit ZZZ will come. So case should be ended with end case, begin should end with year, and if for if we have one more option else. Okay, if enable is equal to 1, this portion. Okay, else y is put as 3 dash b 0 0 0. So end module. So here b is missing, so you have to write b. Okay, now I'm going to open the tool. Okay, when you open that ISE emulator, I'm going to create a new project. Okay, file, new project. So you can select your folder. In the D drive, you can select a folder. Okay, so I already created encoder. So today I will create one more to show encoder 1. Okay, there you give name as encoder. Okay, next. Finish it. Okay, now let us add new file, new source. Select new source and select Verilog module. Give the name as encoder. I'll give encoder 1. Or you can give encoder only because I already created one project. So I am giving another name as encoder 1. So click new. So inputs are what? High. So I you type here. Input is a bus which is 7 down to 0. So enable is not a bus. So only input. And output is y. So y is a bus. Select by default it will be input. Select is a output. Now click on bus. Type 2 down to 0. So click next here. Finish it. So by default all this code will be there. So here you have to type the code. Okay. So I'm typing the code here. So always at enable comma I. Okay, there is no semicolon here. So be careful. After always, no semicolon should be there. After always, if statement. After if enable is equal to 1, you have to do begin. Then 8 different cases you have to write. So you can write in binary 8-bit combination, or you can write decimal 1, 2, 4, 100 means 8. This is 16, this is 32. Like using decimal also you can write. And again this coding also y is equal to 0. In decimal simply write 0. Or if you want to write in binary 3 dash b 0 0 0. Like that you have to write. For 8 cases, we will get this output. For another cases, default value is 3 dash b z z z z. So this case should be ended here, end case. This begin should end here. This begin is end here. This for this case, this is the end case. For this if else part is this. Okay, else part is this. Next, if else, what is the output? Output is z z z. So you can write here 3 dash b z z z. Okay. So now save it. So please see that lastly you should have only one end module. Sometimes while pasting we will get two end modules. So now we'll check the syntax. So for checking the simulation, you should click here, simulation tab. Here there is a button. No, click on this. After clicking this, click on the file. After clicking on file, you will get plus button here, iSIM simulator. So first let us check the syntax. If no errors, you'll get 0 errors. Now I'm getting some errors here, you can see. So output should be declared as register. Okay. So here after output, you should add reg. Okay. So now check syntax. Okay. So output one more line, if you want you can write register to down to 0 y, or you can include reg here only. So this is very very important. So now we have to verify the simulation output. For that I have to write a test bench. So right click on here. So add a new source. Select Verilog test fixture and write here encode encoder capital TB, indicating that it is a test bench for encoder, and we have to click next. So it will ask for associate source for the test bench is what. So we already showed here encoder1.v, so that one only you select. By default it selected that. If many files are there, you have to select particular file. Here only one file is there, so I selected that. So after that you can see by default it will give enable one input, input I is equal to 0, enable is equal to 0, and white page is 0. So I is equal to 0, enable is equal to 0, and hash and red. Okay. So you can double click here, remove this line. Okay. So now actually you have to give other combinations, like if enable is equal to 0, output is actually ZZZ. Now we have to give all these combinations. So I can give input I is equal to 8B0001, or simply 1 decimal 1, and simply decimal 10 means 2, 100 means 4, 1000 means 8, 10. So I will give directly decimal values. So I will copy this. Okay, first I will show you. Let me give I is equal to 1 now, and that means I of 0 is 1 and enable is equal to 1. Okay, this is the first combination. Copy this comma values and paste 8 times. So enable is 1, I is equal to 1, next to 2, I is equal to 2, next I is equal to 4, 4 means 1000, 8 means 10000 in binary. So I am giving decimal. If you want you can write the case statement, 8 inputs are there, no? That you can write. So after that 32, next it is 64, one more combination I have to give, that is I is equal to 128. I is equal to 128 means this combination 10000. You can write like this also, I is equal to this. Okay, I is equal to this. This is 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. So same values are given here, and always enable is equal to 1 here. Okay. Okay, now save this. So now let us check the syntax of this test bench file. So click on test bench file. This is TB. So check the syntax if any error is there in this file. If no errors are there, you will get a tick mark here. It's taking time. Okay. So we are given all these 8 inputs. If any other inputs are there, default it will show 3-BZZZ. So I will stop and rerun once again. Okay, see here, no outputs. process behavioral checks and tests completed successfully. So now we have to simulate this test bench. So be very careful that you should be in TB. Okay, encoder.tb file. This is a test bench file only you have to run. So double click on this. So in my system, sometimes it will get hang. So I will rerun 2 times. So in color system, you'll get in first time only you'll get the output. So here it will get okay. Now it's coming now. No problem. So how to see the output? You can see now. With if enable is equal to 0, if enable is equal to 0 for any combination of input, you give whatever input you give here, output will be ZZZ. See here, output is coming ZZZ. Now enable is made 1, enable is made 1, and I of 0 is 1. I of 0 is 1 is coded with 3-bit 000. Now I of 1 is equal to 1, so it is coded with 001. I of 2 is equal to 1, so coded with 010, which means 2. I of 3 is equal to 1, coded with 011, which means decimal 3. I of 4 is equal to 1, so it's coded with 4, 100. I of 5 is equal to 1, so coded with 111. So it is encoding this input combination. Whenever it comes, it's coded with 101. I of 6, 110. I of 7 is 1, so output is 111. So this is a simulation output, and we wrote this one using case statement. Okay, so now I will explain how to do using one more, that is using if statement. For this you can write this is a waveform you are getting. Now user file you have to add. So right click and add new file to the project. Okay, you have to right click on the .v file, encoder1.v. Right click and add new source and select user constant file. Okay, implementation constant file. Give the name as encoder and it will save the file as encoder.ucf. So after that you type these things. So net I have 7, you have to use double quotes here. Okay, or single quote or double quote. If you write in double quote it will become gray color. Okay, I have 7, location P80. So all these are taken from port 1. These 8 pins, all the 8 pins of the port FRC1 is used here, 8 pins. So next we have enable pin. Enable is also input, so I'm using FRC2 for this input enable, and output and inputs are should not be mixed. So use another FRC, third FRC to connect it to the LED. So give Y of 2, Y of 1, Y of 0, and it is mapped to port FRC number 3, 114, 115, 134, and save it. And after this, okay, how to generate program file I will tell you. So after this, you have to go to implementation. You have to go to implementation. Then go to implementation, click on this, then click generate program file. So then automatically translate should get tick mark here, mapping will get tick mark here, place and route also will get tick mark here. Once the program file is generated, that will be generated in the your folder in your folder here. This is D, this is my folder Raghunath encoder one. So there it is going to save. So once it saves, so I have to browse this particular path. Here actually encoder 1, inside that encoder folder is there. So there bit file will be there, encoder dot bit file will be there. That you have to down program using double clicking configure target device. You refer previous decoder how to program it. There I already explained how to generate, how to connect this configure target device and how to select that as a how to assign or how to select that bit file. Everything is explained in the previous video. You refer it. So after that you can check it out. The output in the another video uploaded in the YouTube. So this is how to generate a program file. So now we'll go to the next, that is using that is encoder with priority. Okay, this is 8 to 3 and priority encoder. Previous one was without priority, so this one is with priority. So see here, I of 0 is having lowest priority, I of 7 is having highest priority, enable pin is there. So here also same 8 inputs, 3 outputs, 2 power 3 is 8, 3 is n is equal to 3 here, and truth table is different for this. Okay, in the without priority, okay, we have one here, this is same, second row is same, first row is also same, third row actually here 1, here 0 was there, so instead of 0 here you have to put x means I already told it can be 0 or it can be 1. Then if highest priority is this, so this is having lowest priority. Okay, so here actually I of 1 is also 1, I of 0 is also 1, so that means input this is also 1, this is also 1. If both are 1 1, highest priority is at the down, so highest priority will be given to 1, and code for 1 we have to write here 0 0 1. Similarly here 1 0 0 means 1 1, suppose inputs are 1 1 1, then highest priority is given to the I of 2, so coding is 0 1 0. Similarly I am explaining the last case, if I of 7 is 1, this is also 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, x means either 0 or 1, but the I of 7 is 1, so we'll see only this. Okay, irrespective of whatever values of this, if I of 7 is 1, then output encoding is 1 1 1. So coding is you have to use if statement here. Okay, so again create a new project. Okay, with priority, then input is made as a bus 7 down to 0, output is made a bus with 2 down to 0, this is 2 down to 0, so this is register. Then always at enable comma I begin, if enable is equal to 1, begin. We have to check if I of 7 is equal to 1. We are checking only this particular bit. If I of 7 is 1, no need to check all other bits. Okay, other bits whatever it may be, simply you put y is equal to 7. Okay, similarly if I of 6 is equal to 1, if I of 6 is equal to 1, then y is equal to 6, that is in binary we can write y is equal to 3 dash b 110. Similarly else if I of 5 is equal to 1, output is encoded with y is equal to 5 or y is equal to 3 dash b 101. Similarly if I of 4 is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 in decimal or y is equal to 3 dash b 1000, 3 1 followed by 2 zeros. Else if I of 3 is equal to 1, then output is equal to 3, or you can also write y is equal to 3 dash b 0 1 1. Else if I of 2 is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, or you can also write instead of y is equal to 2, you can also write y is equal to 3 dash b 0 1 0. Else if I of is 1 is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. If I of 0 is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0, or you can also write y is equal to 3 dash b 0 0 0 0. If you want to write in 3 bits form, you have to write 3 tick b 0 0 0, you have to write. So this begin is ended here. See here, this begin is ended here. This if another option is else. Okay, if enable is 1, perform this, else simply you give 3 dash b z z z, and this begin ended here. So I'm copying this file. I'll show you the output of this. Okay, now you can, if you want, you can uh, create a new file with priority. If you want, you can create new project and retype. So now I pasted here only. Okay. create a new file, select input 7 to I as a select as a bus, put 7 down to 0. Another input is enable, so it is not a bus, don't click on bus. Output third is y, it is 2 down to 0. So register, you have to extra, you have to manually type register. By default it will give output 2 down to 0 y, manually you have to enter reg here. So after that always, so after always we have begin. So don't put semicolon here, begin. If enable is equal to 1, let us start this begin. After that we are checking if statement. If the seventh bit, that is I of 7 is equal to 1, then output is this. If else, if else means if I of 7 is not 1, if it is 0, then don't do this. Then you have to check I of 6 is equal to 0 or 1. If else, if I of 6 is equal to 1, if it is equal to 1, put y is equal to 0. In decimal it is there, see here. In binary also you can put y3 dash b 110 here. Okay, if I of 6 is also 0, then check whether I of 5 is equal to 1. If I of 5 is equal to 1, then code with decimal 5 or binary 101. Else, if I of 5 is also 0, check whether I of 4 is equal to 1. If I of 4 is equal to 1, code with y is equal to 4. Next check if it is 0, I of 4 is also 0, then check I of 3 is equal to 1. If it is 1, code with y is equal to 3 or 0, 1, 1. If not, okay, else you have to check I of 2 is equal to 1 or not. Else if you check I of 1 is equal to 1 or not. Lastly you check else if I of 0 is equal to 1 or not. If it is 1, encode with 0, 0. Else you put end here. Then we have to put end here. Then else for this, if this is a else part. If enable is equal to 1, perform this operation. Else put y is equal to 3 dash bbb. So end. For this begin, this is the end. And beginning we have module. So that module is ended with end module. So save this file. Again I want to check simulation output. So click on simulation. Click on click on this. So I will remove this test bench, old test bench. So I will create new one for that. So this is the encoder one. Okay, so it is saved. So I will check the syntax of this. I'm going to simulation, check the simulation output. Sorry, check syntax. So no errors are there. So now we will write test bench for with priority. Okay, new source. Now I'm writing encoder. So with priority, so I'm writing WP with priority TB. And again, the project is already associated with the encoder one. So finish here. Association with encoder one file. This one. First time it will ask. I am editing now, so that's why it's not asking. So by def, 1 minute. Encoder one. So input is 1, enable is 1, and wait for 100 nanosecond. So I have to give some 2-3 combination. Now enable is made 1. Okay, so I will use the same we used in the manual, so that you'll understand. So I am giving 2 inputs combination only. So that is I is equal to 14 and I is equal to 75. In binary it is 00001110. So in the truth table we have 1xxx, no, 1xxx, whether it is 0 or 1. Highest is what? Highest is I of 3. So output should come 0, 1, 1. When I of 3 is equal to 1, output is coded with 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly here, highest one is 6 here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sixth is 1. Okay. If 75 in decimal, binary is equal to this much. Okay. If you want, you can write I is equal to this combination only. Okay. I is equal to this combination only, you can write. Okay. Or you can write this one only. Anyone you can write. Okay. So I can write this or that. Let me take this one only for your understanding. One I will take like this, another one I will take like this. Okay. So enable is 1 and input is given with it's not copied. So when input is this, enable is 1. Similarly, one more combination you have to give. So only two combinations. If you want, you can write some three more combinations. So here I will make uh, 6 bit as 1. Here I will make 6 bit as 1. If you want, you can write 75 means 100 1011. Okay. 10100 0100 1011. So this is actually 75. You can write like this or you can write 14 and 75. Anything is okay. So now save this. So now I wrote only two combinations. If you want, you can write some five more combination or three more combination. So I am right. When you want to simulate it, you should execute test bench file. Don't execute encoder one. If you want to encoder one file manually, you have to enter the values for simulation to get automatical output. So you have to execute test bench file. So encoder with priority file I'm selected and click this one. So again check this, any syntax error is there in the test bench file. No errors. See, it is coming in green color. Now simulate it. If you simulate it, I given only two combination. First combination is what? Enable is 0. When enable is 0, 3ZZ will come. For these two, enable is 1. So two output should come here. Okay, now see here. First case, enable is equal to 0. Any combination you give, not only 000, any combination you give, output remains ZZZ. Reason is if enable is equal to 0. If enable is equal to 0, in the program you see, if enable is equal to 1, perform this. Okay, if enable is 1, execute begin to end here. Else part it is doing now. Else part is what? 3 dash B ZZZ. So it's coming ZZZ. Now enable is made 1. Enable is made 1. So when enable is 1, okay, if enable is 1, it is begin. Now it will check whether I of 7 is 1. First it will check with highest priority. First it will check 7th bit, next 6th bit, next 5th bit, next 4th bit, next 3rd bit. Immediately if that particular bit is 1, it will encode. So here first it will check 7th bit, next 5th, next 4th, next 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd. When 3rd bit is 1, it will not step remaining bits. Immediately it will encode with 011. 011 means 3. Similarly for the second input, it will check 7th bit. No, it will check 6th bit. Immediately we got 1, so no need to check remaining thing. So it will directly encode with 110. So this is how to see the output for encoder with priority. So you can refer the video how to verify the output using Git. Again, for this program, same UCF file you have to use. Okay, already explained what are the UCF file you have to use. So you have to use same UCF file. So I of 7 to I of 6 is connected to the FRC1. You check in your kit. If any error or any it's not working, some label is there, you skip that FRC and use different one. Again, there may be a error in the pins, okay, because so many people are using from last 5 to 10 years. Okay, so there may be a chance that that pins are not working properly. So that time simulation output is very important. So you have to show the output properly. So I of 7 to I of 0 use one FRC. Another FRC input is enable. So use FRC2. So next another FRC3, only 3 pins connected to LED. These are connected to switches, dip switches. This is also dip switches. Don't mix input with output. Okay. Here only one pin is used, no? So remaining pin don't use it for output. Always inputs should be separate FRC, output should be separate FRC. Okay. You check the output in the other video. Thank you.